Hey everybody, on my last update of the kit, I did not show you the quick release. Let's take the safety off. So that's what that looks like. This was just kind of a proof of concept. I don't think I'm going to leave this here, but I could do that. I don't know that these are okay. So I don't know that this by itself will interfere with drawing magazines, but if I had anything on here, I mean, obviously there's the big old holster that's going to get in the way, but that's what it looks like with the Blade Tech quick release, and this is their MOLLE attachment system. So I can take this off of here and put it wherever I have MOLLE on the kit, and it will allow me to attach things on and off. All right, hope that helps. Thanks.